Latest research and development. 1. Buried for 145 million years, and found by a student on the beach. This is what Novaculidon mirabilis may have looked like. The spots and stripes are speculative. Likely this animal could have sat in one hand. The lower jaw is just 16.5 mm long, only 4 mm longer than that of a mouse jaw. 2. 2.35 billion year old meteorite found in Africa rewrites lunar history. A 2.35 billion year old olivine ferric lunar meteorite discovered in Africa carries a unique uranium lead signature that plugs a nearly billion-year gap in the Moon's volcanic record. Isotopic and geochemical analyses suggest that deep-seated heat-generating processes powered intermittent basaltic eruptions long after the Apollo-era basalts formed. This rare sample challenges prevailing models of lunar thermal evolution and may steer where future missions collect new rocks. 3. NASA's DART mission deflected an asteroid, but unleashed a swarm of space boulders. This illustration depicts NASA's Double Asteroid Redirection Test (DART) spacecraft prior to impact at the Didymos Binary Asteroid System. Astronomers at the University of Maryland found that a surprising burst of rocky debris released during the DART mission carried 3 times more momentum than the spacecraft. This discovery offers valuable new insights for improving future planetary defense strategies. 4. Earth could be in a massive cosmic bubble that's warping the universe, astrophysicists reveal. Astronomers now suggest that Earth, and the entire Milky Way, may reside in a giant, billion light-year wide underdense region, creating the illusion of a faster local cosmic expansion and potentially resolving the persistent Hubble tension. By examining primordial sound waves frozen into the distribution of galaxies, baryon acoustic oscillations, researchers find this local void model fits observations far better than a completely uniform universe. 5. Study reconstructs 540 million years of sea level change in unprecedented detail. For the first time, scientists have mapped sea level shifts on 1,000-year scales across 540 million years. This breakthrough could reshape how we view Earth's climate history and unlock new ways to use what lies beneath our feet. 6. Groundbreaking study reveals tortoises have feelings, similar to ours. Small tortoise. New research from the University of Lincoln reveals that red-footed tortoises may experience long-term mood states, similar to mammals and birds. 7. Brain gains, creatine's surprising cognitive benefits. Qinyi Chen, a research scientist at Virginia Tech's Fallon Biomedical Research Institute, works in Assistant Professor Fred Wu's lab to develop a technique that uses focused ultrasound to deliver creatine directly to the brain. 8. NASA blasts X-59 quiet supersonic mini-jet to Mach 1.4 in Tokyo Tunnel. NASA's X-59 Quiet Supersonic Technology aircraft, or QUEST, is designed to fly faster than the speed of sound without producing a loud, disruptive sonic boom, which is typically heard on the ground below aircraft flying at such speeds. Instead, with the X-59, people on the ground will hear nothing more than a quiet sonic thump, if they hear anything at all. 9. AI designs new material to cool your home and slash energy bills. Researchers have harnessed machine learning to craft complex, three-dimensional thermal matter emitters that can selectively tune their heat emission, offering a new paradigm in passive cooling. In prototype tests, these AI-designed materials cooled a model roof notably more than conventional paints under direct sunlight, hinting at substantial energy savings. 10. Lemurs age without inflammation. Can humans do the same? A new study finds lemurs age without chronic inflammation, defying what we thought we knew about aging. Could humans follow their lead? What if aging didn't have to mean inflammation and decline? That's the surprising possibility raised by a study on 2 species of lemurs that seem to defy inflammaging, the chronic, low-grade inflammation linked to aging and disease in humans. 11. The sex lives of guppies just got way more colorful. Shutterstock. Guppies aren't just flashy for fashion. New research shows that bright orange males are actually more virile. 12. A cat, a shrew, and a hidden virus, the wild story of a backyard discovery. When a Florida virologist's cat brought home a dead shrew, no one expected it to lead to the discovery of a previously unknown virus. But that's exactly what happened. Thanks for watching this video.